Oi, oi! What on, people? Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is Enda R. This is Cook and Vibe. That is Up and Coming Productions. And we're in Jamaica still. Yeah, so people, today, no cooking. Today we got something really, really, really special. And I mean really special. This is a place I've wanted to go a long, long time, and I've only just managed to reach here. We're in St. Anne's Bay, okay? What you're about to see and what you're about to witness, you've never seen before. And you might not see it anywhere else. So just go in the link in the description and find out how to reach here. And if you want to reach here and see it for yourself, contact me and I'll give you all the details you need to link up the general. You get me? So we're here. I'm not even gonna tell you yet. You get me? Little suspense thing. You understand? So I'm gonna show you the place first before we show you the big moment of Wagwan. Oi oi. Big up our proud sponsors, McGrill's Jerk Yard, the best jerk seasoning in the whole of the UK. Remember me tell you that. Yeah? Go in the link in the description and get yours. Oi oi. So we're here at the place where the special exciting thing is gonna happen. But I wanna show you first so you know when you do reach here, it's our vibes. Yeah, the general are playing music over here, sir. And him have bar. A food yourself? Yeah, okay. So you can get food, you can have all type of things. You got the bar here, you know what I'm saying? Proper magnums, everything you need there. You know what I'm saying? So you can get your drinks, your food, and music are run. The reason why the music ain't running is because obviously copyright situation. I want little music in our background, but me no think so that I got trouble with. Yeah, so you don't know, it's Cook and Vibe. I hope you lot are enjoying this time in Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, we've done loads of good stuff and we've got loads of good stuff dropping. So just make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. Press that notification bell because you don't want to miss nothing at all. Remember me tell you that. So without further ado, show you what I'm going. The general right there. Very nice and welcoming people, I must say. So, you know, so you feel comfortable if you want to reach down here. Yeah. Inside here, right, is two things that are not supposed to mix together. Water and fire. Yeah? Water and fire. May I tell you something, people, you never see this before. The water catches on fire. The water is meant to put out fire. How does it make sense? Look on this. So watching up, people. This might just look like water to you. But watch this. Cook and Vibe, watch this. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. Cook and Vibe, watch this. Hi! Yeah? Look at that. Amazing. Now, this is not meant to be happening because that's water. So water is meant to put out fire. But there's so much certain things in this that we're going to let you know now. The general's going to make you know everything. Look at that. Look at that, man. Crazy people, I told you, you'll never ever see this before. We're in St. Anne's, Jamaica. It's really easy to find as soon as you turn off the turning. You just go down, ask somebody, and they'll take you straight there. You know what I'm saying, so? Hot. A hot, yeah. so we'll get some information now.
Yeah man, Kevin to the world, great grandson of the founder of Jamaica Firewater, St. Anne's Bay, Windsor Road, St. Anne. As you can see where the water is coming up from the inner core of the earth. Comes up warm, salt and bitter, good for all aches and pain, circulation, swelling of the skin, headache, backache, allergies, sunburn, glaucoma, cataracts from the eyes, swelling of the skin.
Wow.
Any problem you have and get into this water, it comes out rejuvenated. All we know it put lit and fire is our great grandmother was burning away a wasp from a citrus tree was here. The fire drop into the water and ignite it. She run and tell her parents that ghost is down here, the water is on fire. Her parents tell her no, this is where the ancestors comes and get their healing whenever time they get wound. Scientists came here drilling this water looking for oil and gas, they didn't find any. Takes them 3 years before they bring a manual come give us that it have 24 components of mineral, human friendly. Potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, floral, alkaline, saltpeter, sugar, you can name them. And to contact Kevin at Jamaica Firewater, my phone number is 1-876-402-2127. Remember to contact Kevin at Jamaica Firewater, my phone number is 1-876-402-2127. I'm out.
And all that information, right, is going to be in the description. So the phone number is right there in the description. The link is in the description. Even where to get there is in the description, so you can find it yourself. Crazy, man. So what's the minerals in this?
Sulfur, potassium, iron, magnesium, zinc, floral, alkaline, saltpeter, sugar, you can name them.
Alkaline, sugar, all these things there in this water. So that is what is making it be able to catch on fire. But I noticed it's like a
It's a mineral.
bubble, like it's like a one little spot where it's a bubble up. It's amazing. So we say you can put your
Each person have a bottle will release the water from right here, so it runs out.
okay.
Enter to the river, from the river to the ocean. So all your ailments go. Water stamina.
So I'm inside the water now, people, as you can see. Alright. Alright. So we say I can put my foot in it?
Push it, look, look, under it.
Under it. Whoa! Oh my god!
You have to keep moving it.
Yo! We put that on there today. Oi, oi! I cook and vibe, it's a mad thing. Yo! Yo, you have to keep moving because the fire go round, go round. Yo. Yo. Watch you now. Look, my foot's right underneath that fire, people. Right underneath. Wow. That is actually amazing. Wow, I can feel the heat. It's like the water's like a little bit warm as well. Look at that, look. Look, my foot, watch it. Underneath. Yo, it's like it's like not that much heat. Like underneath that, it's like it's not even that hot. So it's like it's actually burning on the top of the water. Walk through it, yeah? Okay. Oh my god. Let's just walk through fire. I'm gonna do it again. Now go back right there, so I can't be doing away from this. I think it singed two hair. I think it singed two hair, but we don't feel it. So watch it. Alright. So now, I'm gonna walk through this fire, people, yeah? Wow. Wow. Look at that, move back through. Wow. I can't believe it. And if you notice, it's like, it's one spot here, people, which is bubbling, bubbling, like this little spot right here. Yeah, man. Mad thing. That one there's burning. So it must have catch all of the elements there. Because that had burned for a long time, that one there. So like more of the everything that makes it set on fire must have just catch it at that point there. Yeah, I told you never seen nothing like this before. Like the general was saying, it's like if you've got problems or this is supposed to cure everything. Aches and pains, are you? We'll say you're spraining your ankle and all them thing there, and thing there just.
Send it here, come and get rid of it right here.
Okay. See there, and the water's really nice as well. It's like just like warmish, a bath. Do you know what I mean? And I think especially for us, right? You don't really get too many baths in Jamaica. And you see, like us, we're used to sitting in hot water because we're in cold countries. And I think sometimes, like when you're in Jamaica as tourists, and you get bit a lot, you see, like the mosquitoes then bite you a lot, and it can become uncomfortable, you know, because the mosquitoes are itching, and it just becomes uncomfortable. So it's a place where if you've been in Jamaica for a few days, let me see, you feel bit up and sticky and itchy. Because that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm saying the truth because I feel a little bite then from my arm. So wash off in the water, man. Heal up my skin, you know. Yeah. Healing all them mosquito bites and sandfly bites and ant bites and all these things. Cause you know, say when we're white skin touch a Jamaica, the mosquito don't say them bad man, you know. See mosquitoes them in Jamaica, bad boy, they blood them no ramp. So yeah, I've found that a lot when I've been here for a long time. You get so many bites and everything there. And it's crazy. It's like a natural like just bubble coming up from there. So that's coming out the ground.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, that's coming out the ground. So that is the part that catch on fire, isn't it?
Taste your finger.
It's not salt.
Yeah.
That tastes mad. So right now, I feel like I'm just gonna wash off, chill out in the water, see where I go on, and yeah, you know anything go. Cook and vibe. Big up Kevin. His phone number's at the bottom. Call him.
To the fullest, man. Great grandson of the phone there, you know? And welcome to Cooking Vibes in our building.
Oi, oi.
Yeah, man. Real.
Yo, I tell you, I have one taste. Alright, I'm gonna put my hand underneath, yeah? See there? Bad thing, man. Foot, hand. It's crazy. Yeah, like I say, people, this is a place that I've wanted to go for a long time. Things like this you're never gonna see again. I do a whole heap of like research online about like cooking shows and traveling and stuff like that. I watch all of the things them, man. And then just Jamaica, I love watch things like Mexico and all them Colombia and all them places there. I've never seen this. I've never heard of this. This is like, so it's an experience that you're just not gonna get. Do you know what I mean? So, yeah. Need to reach, man. Chilling out, I'm just, yo, it feels so natural, like, I feel like my body's like re-energizing. You see how long that's been burning for, Ben? Been burning for time, bro. Watch it. Watch it. 19, man. Do us a favour. Turn on the heating for me, please. Can you make that water a bit warmer for me, please? Why? Yo, I have to jump in the water, man, and cleanse up the whole body because just arms and legs not good enough. And I know everyone's going to be shouting in the comments, why did you go in the water? Why are you going? Get me there, water, man. Warm up the feet a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Get a bit cold here. Why? Warm up a little bit. Yeah, a mad team, man. Big up Kevin, a good vibes, man. Very, very welcoming and good people. Yeah, nice to chill out. You know when you go somewhere and sometimes you feel a little uneasy. Nah, none of them something there, man. Nice, good vibes. If me never did have my hair done, I would have dropped my head under, but it's gonna mash up my hair. I'm gonna bring the do-rag with me. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this one, people, because no cooking, but I thought it was something really cool. So I want to just chill in our water, man, and just try and catch some of the goodness. You know what I'm saying? First time we've been in the water since we've been to Jamaica as well. We've just been working, people. Obviously this episode is going to go out when it goes out, but obviously, you know, filming. This is like the third day we're here, and we've just been driving, traveling, cooking, filming. So it's nice to do a little episode of just something more chilled. We're not cooking. You see me? We got Ringo Vision, up and coming productions. Yeah, man. Fire water. It's the real fire water. Some of them say some rum or fire water. This is fire water. Real fire water. I don't know if you can see, but I'm just like moving my leg, like in and out of the fire as well. The man say, yo, some people reach us up, can't bend them knee. When they leave, can't bend your knee. Sprained ankle, you know, all them thing there, good for your skin. Especially like this, yesterday, right, people? We had drive, right? And must rest my arm out on this side. So just this one arm just get little burn, and it's like it was burning me all night, man. Man had to dash some cold water upon it last night before I go sleep. My leg's just resting in that fire, by the way. I'm not even moving, it's just resting in it. And as I've got in this water here, I can't feel it no more. I'm telling you, 20 minutes ago I couldn't, that was red hot. A little scratch like that and it was burning. I can't feel nothing. That's actual proof that it works. Promise you, Ben, how red was my arm?
It was red, man.
Mad red, people. It on fire, like my arm on fire. I'm gonna feel it like it on fire, me I tell her. As soon as I get in this water, and I didn't even realise, and just till then, because it's healing it, so I didn't even realise. But all the redness has kind of gone away as well. No way. Hold on him. Nah, man. It's taking the redness away. So it's not just superstition. Telling you, that arm was mad red. Ben, I lie. Am I lying?
You ain't lying.
Bro, I'm not lying. All the, I had bare bites there as well. And all you can see now is like, there's no lump there. It's like little marks. I had like 4 or 5 bumps up there just last night. Before I went to bed, I put cold water on my arm. And then I put the after itch thing upon it. So that's how you know, just last night, that's what happened. I've been in this water for about 10-15 minutes. The bites are gone. The redness of my arm has gone. I can't feel no burn. It's baffling me, you know. Maybe it's sunlight. It's not the sunlight. Because they both look the same colour now. Is they? Yeah. I don't want to move. It's relaxing. Like if you're looking for something to do and you just want to chill out and you don't want to go to the beach. Wow. Show them up there. Paradise. Paradise, man. So you can just sit and chill. Kevin will look after you. Drinks, anything you want. Oh, I can't believe that's healed my arm. That's actually amazing, man. And I feel like all the little bites and the little things that was wrong with me. And you know what it is, people? I'm here for quite a long time. So it's good. I have to really make sure that I take care of myself. whilst I'm in the tropics for so long. So that there was just beautiful. I feel revitalised. Don't feel burning no more. I don't feel itching no more. So I'm going to dry off now and show you around the place a little bit before we leave out of here, you know? Yeah. Hello, bad man there in that country. We need all the passa. Knock it, they will knock it. Knock it, they will knock it, they will knock it, they will. Yes, people. So that was the fire water episode. Really cool, man. I should have brought some food down there, really. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're here, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at the settings. We go over here a little bit. We look down there. So I feel like we're gonna do the big up section down here anyway. Yes, people. Big up section. Big up, big up. All my Coco vibers just big up, big up. Yeah, man. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Big up section. You know what it is, right? I ain't got no internet right now, so I can't find no one's name or nothing like that. So I'm just gonna big up some of the real generals of the fans, them are Cookham Vibe. JJ Dino, big up yourself, my bro. You get me every time. Real fan. And also, big up Bill. Bill, you know who you are. JJ Dino, you know who you are. Some real fans for the Cookham Vibe. So I just want to big you up whilst we're here. You get me? So yeah, man. Fire water. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.